This is a Fidelity Sign Up Bonus review. Have you used Fidelity Sign Up Bonus before? Leave your review in the comments section below. So here's the deal. Fidelity's Sign Up Bonus isn't flashy, but it's real. If you open a Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature card and spend $1,000 in the first 90 days, you get a $150 bonus. That's 15,000 points, which you can redeem for cash. If you deposit it into an eligible Fidelity account, Brokerage, IRA, 529 plan, HSA, you've got options. And that's kind of the point. Fidelity wants you to invest that bonus, not blow it on takeout. People who use the card seem to love the simplicity. It's 2% cash back on everything. No rotating categories, no weird restrictions, just swipe and earn. And if you set it to auto-redeem into your Fidelity account, it's like passive investing. One Redditor said they've been funneling their rewards into a 529 for years and ended up with nearly $90,000 when it was time for college. That's wild. Another user mentioned auto-paying rent with the card, then auto-redeeming into a UTMA account for their kid. The cash back goes straight into a zero-fee mutual fund. They joked it feels like cheating. But it's not. It's just smart. Now, the downside. The card is issued by Elan Financial, not Fidelity directly. That's where things get clunky. Elan's website, not great. You can't filter transactions by statement period. You have to dig through PDFs. It's 2025, why are we still doing this? Also, customer service isn't on par with Fidelity's usual standards. Disputes and fraud claims can be a hassle. You'll probably get it resolved, but it takes effort. And here's something weird. The card doesn't show up in the Fidelity app. You need a separate login for Elan. That throws people off. It's Fidelity branded, but it's not fully integrated. So if you're expecting a seamless experience, you might be disappointed. Still, if you're already a Fidelity customer, this card makes sense. You're not just earning cash back, you're building your portfolio. And that $150 bonus. It's a nice little nudge to get started. Just don't expect bells and whistles. No concierge perks. No lounge access. It's a workhorse, not a show pony. Would I recommend it? Yeah, if you're disciplined and want to grow your investments. But if you're chasing travel rewards or luxury perks, look elsewhere. Fidelity's card is for people who want their money to work quietly in the background, and for that it delivers. Have you tried the Fidelity Rewards card or claimed the Fidelity Sign Up Bonus? Drop your experience below. Let's compare notes.